Alright, little test drive time in the Alto. Seems to run fairly smooth. I mean, there's definitely a little slop in the steering, more than I would care for, but it's not terrible at all. Brakes feel pretty good, but they should. I mean, all that stuff was new. I'm a little worried about that booster still. I'm gonna go out. Take her for a little drive. Alright. Very nice throttle response. Drivability's pretty good. Pretty happy with it right now. Like we discussed, the speedometer does not work. I know she texted me and told me about that. So I'm gonna get down to the brass tacks of why that's not working. I assume it's cable related because the odometer isn't working either. And we saw that the cable looked great underneath the car at the trans. So, but other than that, I have no drivability qualms, really. I mean, it's quite nice. Kickdown works pretty good, too. I barely gave it any throttle.